friends, I had a couple of questions about the challenge problems, so I wanted to make a video to remind you how we did it in class. I'm going to go over today's problem and also tomorrow's solution. So kids, don't watch the second part, but you're welcome to watch today's solution so it reminds you how we used to do it. So today's problem is, Avish told 91 jokes. Mahek told 4 jokes. How many jokes did they tell altogether? So Avish told, marker doesn't work. Give me a second. Let's try this. So Avish told 91 and Mahek told 4. Now, the way we used to do this in class is we used to use the base 10 blocks, where this represented 10 and this represented the ones. Now, I don't have those tools at home, so explain to your parents that this is a group of 10 ones. We're just not drawing it out. Okay? So let's go back to the problem. For Avish's 91 jokes, we're going to draw a representation of 91. So we're going to go ahead and go 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, and 91. For Mahek's, we're going to draw a representation of 4. Now we can't use a 10 because a 10 is way too much, so we're going to use 4 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? And the way to solve it is we count up Avish's 10s and Mahek's 10s, but she doesn't have any today. So, and then we're going to count both of the ones. So let's solve it. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. 91, 92, 93, 94, 95. And that's how we come up with the solution. Now, boys and girls, your parents and I were taught like this, to write 91 and put the 4, this is the 1 in the 91, and this is the ones in Mahek's, and add them up like this. So 1 plus 4 is 5, and then 9 plus nothing is just 9, and we get 95. Okay, kids, leave, go away. Go to another room because I'm going to talk to the parents now, and we're going to go over tomorrow's solution too. So parents, we used to solve problems like this, but the reason why I have them do this is so they can visually see what's going on. This is more of a procedure that they just follow, but I don't think they always understand what's going on with the actual numbers. So the problem, this is actually not kindergarten material, but a lot of our kids want the challenge, need the challenge, love the challenge. So this is for them. If your child's getting frustrated or you're getting frustrated, just skip this part. Okay, now I'm going to go over tomorrow's problem. So I hope the kids are out now. Here is tomorrow's problem. So for tomorrow's problem, Dylan swam 34 laps. Okay, so that's Dylan. Riley also swam for 34 laps. Let's make a visual representation of 34 using 10s and 1s. 10, 20, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34. Okay, let's do the same for Riley. Now since it's the same amount, the representation is going to be the same. So 10, 20, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34. Okay, so in my last portion I said count all the 10s, both of their 10s. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. Now we're going to add the ones. 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68. And that's how we get 68. And they can also write the equation. They can do the number bond. But I say skip the number line since the numbers are so big. Again, this is challenge. If you don't want to do it, your child doesn't want to do it, you're the boss. I hope this helps. Keep the questions coming. Bye.